Hey Ford owners, have you noticed your FordPass or Lincoln Way app suddenly acting up on your 2018 to 2020 Ford or Lincoln? Maybe you can't start your car remotely, lock or unlock the doors, or even check your vehicle's status from your phone anymore. You might see error messages like no ESN, remote features unavailable, or even cryptic codes like U2100 or B156D. Sometimes the app just spins endlessly or fails to connect, leaving you stuck without those handy remote features. This isn't just a random glitch. It's a widespread issue affecting a huge range of Ford and Lincoln models from 2018 to 2020. We're talking Edge, Escape, Expedition, Explorer, F-150, Super Duty trucks, and more. If your vehicle has a Telematics Control Unit, you could be at risk. So, what's causing all this? The problem usually pops up after a Telematics Control Unit or TCU update or replacement. Sometimes, a software update at the dealership or a swapped-out TCU can leave your car's remote system out of sync with Ford servers. When this happens, your car can't communicate properly with the FordPass or Lincoln Way app, so all those remote features just stop working. It's frustrating, especially if you rely on your phone to control your car. Ford knows about this and put out an internal service message called an SSM or Special Service Message. It's not a recall or a full technical bulletin, so only dealership techs really see it. If you're stuck with dead remote features after a TCU update or swap, here's what Ford says to do. First, make sure your dealer uses the latest scan tool software. Then have them run a programmable module installation or PMI on your TCU. This process basically wipes and reprograms the module from scratch, syncing it back up with Ford's systems. If that still doesn't fix the problem, the dealer needs to open a hotline request with Ford and provide detailed info from your car's system. Ford will then guide them through the next steps. There's a specific part number and checklist for the techs to follow, so make sure your service advisor is thorough and checks every box. Remember, this isn't a recall, so you won't get a letter in the mail and it's not a public fix. That's why so many owners are left confused and frustrated. If your remote features are dead after TCU work, ask your Ford dealer about SSM 49803. Make sure they follow the latest guidance to get you back up and running. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop your questions or experiences down in the comments. Thanks for watching.